Before being sent into deliberations, attorneys for each side had one last chance to speak to the jury. Prosecutors saying Mike Ramos was killed for no reason. The defense arguing Officer Taylor did exactly what he was trained to do.
This defendant shot and killed Michael Ramos when there was absolutely no reasonable basis for doing so.
The state told jurors evidence has shown no one was in danger of being struck by the vehicle Mike Ramos was driving.
Christopher Taylor was trained not to be on his opposite until he's ready to shoot. This is not a tool for observing.
Prosecutors urged the jury to rely on their common sense, generally accepted policing practices presented in court, and the actions of the other officers on scene that did not shoot.
This case is not about the Austin Police Department. It's about this defendant who committed murder.
This whole case was a political prosecution from the very beginning.
The defense accused prosecutors of attempting to distract and mislead the jury with irrelevant evidence.
Chris is not in this courtroom being held to a reasonable officer standard or even a trained officer standard. Only the same standard that you would be held to.
Taylor's attorneys told the jury if they convicted him, next time there was a threat, police would be slow to respond and some would leave the profession.
The police officers you met in this case, including Chris, followed their training, did everything they were expected to do, and it's simply unfair that these prosecutors will sit in an office building scrutinizing every second of a body cam and second-guessing what officers have to do out on the street.
The defense told jurors if they needed someone to be mad at, they should be mad at the person who called 911 and reported Ramos was armed when he was not. The state told the jury that by holding Taylor accountable, they would be honoring the police profession and those who do the job right every day. Melanie Torrey, CBS Austin News.
Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and get the latest news by downloading the CBS Austin News app.